All right, we've got a Blizzard machine. We're gonna take a look here. So you see the pedal it's plugged into. They're saying it's dead, it just doesn't do anything. So if I hit the pedal, see if it's brushes, you know, if you spin this and it starts, it's brushes. So no. So either we have no power at the outlet, or our pedal's bad. This is a little red flag to me. I understand why they would have turned it around, but that's where the important things are. Let's see if we unplug this, bypass the pedal. Still nothing. Still nothing. All right. Well, let's get into it. Okay. I checked, there's 2 fuses in this board and they're both good. And I plugged it in up here and reconnected and it worked, but the brushes were arcing and sparking like crazy. I'll show you what I mean by that. So we're gonna change the brushes and resurface the motor. All right, you remember what it looked like before. So what I do is I take this, I set it there, and I take a fine metal file and I resurface it so it's not angled. Then I'll take my tiny and clear any debris out of each one of these commutator divides. All right, and before we go putting it all back together, every time, back in action.